was like, Sarah, this is your first time doing guard duty, right? Right. I need you to go do it 12. I need you to go do it in like 5 minutes. 1 minute. You don't have to do it at all.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to clean out storage room in the back. You don't have to do it right now, maybe later. Tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna have Jerry do it.
What? God damn it, Jerry. Like, they have us do, rugs sometimes where they we have to take a float, right? We get to pick up all 30 rugs in the fucking store, roll them up, they're really fucking heavy, keep that in mind, especially for females. Roll them up, put them on the float, keep them in the back, unroll each individually on the floor, vacuum it, make sure fucking not a crumb is in there, roll it back up, put it on the float, do it for lather, rinse, repeat for every single one. Go back out. This takes 3 hours. Put them all back in the same place where you found them. They have to be the same fucking size rug that you had before on there.
This guy went to Sparka there, and this guy, he was taking cars and everything, you know how, he had hundreds of dollars in tips.
Cool. Wow. Amazing.
No, he used to get
fantastic.
Mom gave $1, and I saw him put it in with the other money. He had hundreds of dollars once. I was like...
My boyfriend's dad got a tip from this really famous basketball player, and he got like $100.
What's his name?
LeBron or something like that.
LeBron or something like that? You mean like LeBron James?
He's a black
King
dude.
James, like one of the
Martin
best
King.
players.
Oh, he's dead. I don't give a damn. There's no fucking difference. They're all tall black people.
Actually,
Educated black woman. What's that?
No.
What is that?
Racist.
That's unheard of. Racist. Okay, you know what? Whenever someone says I'm taking offense to that or it's racist, that doesn't fucking matter. Shut the hell up. 2014. 2014! 2014. Bitch crackers.